Yesterday we took how to find the area of square. We talk about square. We told it has some properties. All sides are equal in length, and all angles are equal in measure, and also it has two diagonals. These diagonals are equal in length and perpendicular together and bisect each other. And we talk how to find the area of square. Anyone can know how to find the area of square by giving its length, side length? Yes, Fatima, open your mic.
Yes.
Fatima, can you tell me how to find the area of square?
Area of a square equal half times base times height.
This is for the area of a triangle. Square.
Height times diagonal times diagonal.
Excellent, excellent. Fatima قالت يا miss if he gives us the diagonal, so we use the rule half DD. طب if he gives you the length of side, the side length, we will use
side
times side.
Equal side times side.
Yes, excellent. Thank you, Yalbi. Another one. So if he gives you first question, complete the following. Area of square equal what? هي حلا. حلا, open your mic. Muhammad, open your mic. I can't hear you.
Side times side.
Excellent. Area of square equals side times side. Another one. Area of square equal half. Half times what? Nada, open your mic.
Half times D1 times D2?
No. Square, two diagonals are equal. So our rule, half DD. Okay? Half DD. Perimeter. Can you tell me, anyone? Can you tell me perimeter of square? Yes, Hala, open your mic. Hala? Perimeter of square. Abdullah, open your mic.
Yes, miss.
Perimeter of square equal what?
S times 4.
Excellent. S times 4. Excellent. Thank you. Exercise number 6 complete. Anyone can answer? Esther, open your mic.
Yes, miss.
Read it with me, okay?
If the side length of a square is 10 centimeters, then its area 100 centimeters square.
Excellent. What rule you used, Esther?
Side times side.
Excellent, Yal. Excellent. Thank you. Another one. Here, he gives you the side length. So we will use rule side times side. 10 times 10 equal 100 centimeters square. Basil, open your mic.
Yes, yes.
Solve number B.
Its diagonal length of square is 12 centimeters. Then its area.
He gives you here diagonal. What rule?
Half times D times D.
Excellent. We will use half times D times D. Substitute half times 12 times 12 equal 72 centimeters square. Excellent. Thank you. He may ask you to find the perimeter of square. Barthine, open your mic.
Yes, Miss.
Solve it.
Area equal
No.
side times side.
Letter D. Read it.
Find the perimeter of a square whose side length is 6. Perimeter equal 4 times side.
Excellent. Then 4 times 6 equal 25. Okay? 24 centimeters. Letter E. Raise your hand. Andrea, open your mic.
Yes.
Letter E. Can you read it?
If the area of square 25 centimeters square, then
its side equal what? He gives you the area and asked you for the side. I told my boys, ask yourself what number it times itself gives you 25. So, Hala, the side will be what? Emry, open your mic.
no.
Tell me, what's the length of its side?
Equal 5.
Excellent. Equal 5. Another question. We talk how to find the circumference of a circle. Okay? Circumference of the circle, it is a length of the outer line of the circle. And do you remember circle with me? Can you tell me what is the diameter of the circle? Raise your hand. What is the diameter? Yet, open your mic.
لا يا ميس.
What's the diameter?
لا يا ميس أنا سمعتكيش الصوت علق.
What is the diameter?
What is the diameter?
Do you remember?
It is يا ميس. It is the longest chord in the circle.
Excellent. Another definition.
It's 2 radius.
Excellent. Thank you. Another one. Asil, open your mic. Can you tell me what's the meaning of radius? What's the meaning of radius? Lama, open your mic. Can you tell me what's the meaning of radius? Muhammad Abkarim, open your mic. Tell me what's the meaning of radius.
It's half of diameter.
Excellent. And line segment connect between what? Line segment connect between the center and any point in the circle. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Ali. Thank you. Excellent. Can you tell me anyone? Do you remember the rule how to find the circumference of the circle? Raise your hand. Circumference of a circle. We have two rules. if he gives you the diameter and if he gives you the radius. Yes, Ahmed, open your mic.
Miss.
I want you to tell me the rule, how to find the circumference of the circle if he gives you the radius.
The radius? 2 times by times radius.
Excellent, ya Ahmed, excellent. 2 times pi times r. If he gives you the radius, we use the rule 2 by r. Excellent. Another, Ziad. If he gives you the diameter, what rule we will use?
Miss, what is the question?
If he gives you the diameter and asked you to find the circumference, which rule? You remember the rule?
Yeah.
Mariam?
By D. By D.
By D, excellent. So we have now two rules. If the given radius, we use 2 pi r. If the given diameter, we use pi d. And the pi, it is a constant equal 22 over 7 or 3.14. Okay? Thank you, Albi. Thank you. So, letter 1, number 1. Solve. Can you read it? Ahmed? Solve number 1. Complete. Open your mic.
Yes, Miss.
Number 1.
Number 1, diameter.
Diameter. Excellent. Thank you. Ali? Ali? Number 2.
Yes, Miss.
Number 2.
Yes, Miss. The radius of the circle diameter is the radius of the circle.
Equal what of the diameter?
Equal the
Equal what? Twice?
yes.
Quarter? Half? Equal what of the diameter?
Half.
Half of the diameter. Excellent. Letter 3. Number 3. Marwan? Omar? Open your mic. Number 3. Mahmoud, open your mic. Do you hear me? Hala, open your mic. Mariam, open your mic. Solve number 3.
Yes, Miss.
يلا يا روحي.
8.
If the radius of the circle 4, then the diameter equal 8. Excellent. Excellent. Why, Mariam?
Because the diameter is double the radius.
Okay, thank you, Albi. Number 4. Open your mic. Yes, what's your name?
Yes, Miss.
Solve number 4.
For if the diameter of the circle 10, the radius 5.
Excellent. Thank you, Albi. Thank you. Excellent. Another one. So, complete the following. If the circumference Can you solve it? Bring your notebook and begin to solve it, okay? All of you bring your notebook. يلا شباب, bring your notebook and begin to solve it. And open your mic, open your camera and show me your answer. Quickly. زياد. يلا شباب. Bring your notebook and try to solve it. You use your calculator, okay? Judy, open your mic. Yes, Judy. Can you read it? Muhammad Marwan, open your mic and read it with me.
Circumference ما بعرفش.
The circumference of a circle.
Whose diameter length 21 centimeter is space centimeter.
Excellent. What rule?
Diameter times pi.
Excellent. Use your
Times
calculator. No. Diameter times pi. Pi d. Substitute and get your result.
1266.
He gives you here the diameter, so we will use pi d. Pi 22/7 times 21 gives you 66 centimeter. Excellent, Judy. Muhammad Marwan, open your mic. Letter B. Muhammad, open your mic.
Yes.
Solve letter B. The circumference of a circle. Read it.
The circumference of a circle whose radius 14 is 87.92.
Fine. What rule we will use?
2 by r.
Excellent. We will use 2 by r as he gives you the radius. 2 times 3.14 times 14 gives you 88 centimeter. Okay. Another? Anything you want? Raise your hand, okay? Now, يا شباب. Judy, open your mic.
Yes, miss.
Do you see the screen?
No.
Okay, 1 minute. Now, do you see it?
Yes.
Yes. We will begin a new lesson about probability. Okay, do you remember probability? Let's remember together, okay? Probability, I asked you before to find the probability. It means a number of the event times of event could happen over the total number of possible outcomes. What does it mean? If I asked you, what's the probability that the sky rains money? It is real that the rain rains money? Raise your hand, share with me. Do you see it now? What's the meaning of probability? Yes. We will discuss about explain probability, and let's remember together. Probability mean if I asked you what's the probability that the sky rains money, you will tell me, huh? Zero. Excellent. Because it is impossible event. It is right. It is impossible event. What's the probability that the elephant can fly?
Zero.
Zero. Because it is impossible event. Okay. So the probability here, it is the number of the event can happen over the total outcomes. So the elephant can't fly. So the probability of it zero because it is impossible event. Okay. The probability of a sure event is equal what?
1.
1. Sure event, its probability equal 1 because we are certain event. Like what? When I asked you, what's the probability that the sky rains in winter? In
1.
winter. It can be a miss? Yes, it can be. So the probability here, certain event is 1. But what's the probability of impossible event? That the sun rises from west? 0. Excellent. 0. But we must know that the sum of probability of any event equal 1. And I'll discuss this point in the following exercise, okay? Fine. We took in first term the probability of 4 or 5 items. We took coins, cards, balls, students in the classroom, number of students in the classroom, and we took also a dice. Okay. First, a coin. How many faces it has? Coin. Raise your hand. Raise your hand and tell me. Coin has only 2 faces. Has only 2 faces. Raise your hand يا شباب. Yes, Farida, open your mic.
What's the probability of getting what?
Ahead.
Ahead? 1.
1 over what?
1 over 2.
1 over 2. Excellent. 1 over 2. To get the probability, 1 over 2. But what's the probability of getting a tail? Raise your hand يا شباب.
Miss, can I answer?
Yes.
1 over 2.
1 over 2. This is our coin. This is our coin. So the probability when we tossing a coin once, the probability of getting head 1 over 2, getting a tail 1 over 2. Excellent. And we took dice. This is our dice, okay? This is dice. It is a regular cubic shape, okay? It has 6 faces and every face on it has numbers. Only one number, okay? Only one number. 1 or 2 or 3. The total numbers on it from 1 to 6, okay? When we rolling any dice, what like this? When we rolling it, what's the probability of getting even number? Huh? Raise your hand. I want even number. Yes, Ziad, open your mic. فريدة open your mic. محمد مروان open your mic please.
Yes, miss.
يلا. What's the probability of getting even number?
The probability of even number?
Do you see the dice?
Yes.
Okay. Even number like what? 2
2 4 6 8.
ايه ده؟ هناخد 8؟ هي ال 8 معانا؟
لا.
طيب.
2 4
2 4 and 6.
2 4 6.
يبقى how many times the even number will appears? 3. 3 times. طب the probability of it, the number it appears over the total number تبقى 3 over 6. 3 over 6 when we simplify this fraction gives you 1 over 2. Okay?
Okay.
Another one. So the probability of even number is half. طب what's the probability of odd number? What's the probability of odd number? Yes, Farah?
1 over 2.
Excellent. 1 over 2 يا محمد. Excellent. Odd number will appear as what يا محمد?
As 1 and 3 and 5.
Excellent. So the odd number will appear 3 times over the total number we have 6. So the probability of odd number 3 over 6 gives you half. Excellent يا محمد. طيب if I asked you what's the probability of the A prime number, can you tell me Farah? Prime number? Yes, open your mic and tell me what's the probability of getting
Yes,
prime number. Prime number.
1 over 2.
1 over 2. طب let's see together prime number such as E.
2,
Hmm.
3,
Hmm.
and 5.
Excellent, excellent. So the probability of prime number will be 1 over 2. Excellent. طب what's the probability of getting even prime number? Raise your hand يا شباب. Even prime number. يا محمد أنا عايزة even prime number.
2.
2 هيبقى كم مرة؟ How many times it appears؟
2.
ما أيوة الايفن برايم نمبر عندي ايه؟ هو نمبر 2. طب هيظهر لي كم مرة يا محمد؟ مرة واحدة. يبقى البروبابيلتي ايه؟ النمبر بتاع الايفن ده هيظهر لي قد ايه؟ تمام؟ عدد الظهور بتاعه على التوتال نمبر عندي هيبقى 1 over
2.
برضو؟ لا
1 over
6. اوكي؟ even برايم نمبر انا ما عنديش غير even برايم نمبر اللي هو 2 هيظهر لي مره واحده بس يا مس. يبقى هيظهر مره واحده يبقى 1 اوفر التوتال نمبرز اللي عندي 6 يبقى 1 اوفر 6. تمام كده؟ طيب لو انا قلت لك انا عايزه نمبر greater than 6 what's the probability that we have a number greater than 6 هي ندى can you tell me؟ 0. انا عندي نمبر greater than 6 على الدايس؟ لا يا ميس يبقى 0. excellent. يبقى البروبابيلتي بتاعته 0. ليه؟ لان النمبر ده مش عندي. طب what's the probability of getting number less than 3؟
2 over 6.
2 over 6. excellent. وتعمليها simplified هنا 1 over 3. تمام؟ كده البروبابيلتي بتاعت الدايس اني كويشن على الدايس تعرف تجيبه لوحدك دلوقتي. تمام؟ اتفهم يا ندى؟ فاهم يا شباب؟ طيب حاجة التالتة كاردس. طبعا الكاردس عارفينها كلنا عارفينها دي الكاردس بتاعتنا اللي بنقعد نلعب بيها. تمام. الكاردس دي اكيد لما يجي لك في الامتحان او اي سؤال عليها لازم تكون عارف التوتال نمبر بتاعها. يعني ايه مس؟ يعني هي مترقمه من 1 to what؟ تمام؟ النمبر الكاردز بتاعتنا اللي عندنا معروفه من 1 to 10 مثلا، في حد تاني هيعمل كاردز جديده من 1 to 8. المهم انك لازم تكون عارف التوتال نمبر اللي عندنا ايه. تمام؟ طب لو الكاردز اللي عندنا دي اللي هي قدامك دي، تمام؟ وقلت لك انا عايزه probability of getting even number. even number هتبدا تعد معايا كده مع بعض ونشوف البروبابيلتي بتاعتها ايه. raise your hand كده يا شباب. اسيل open your mic. عبد الرحمن can you tell me what's the probability of getting even number? open your mic. طيب يلا ريفين.
Yes miss.
يلا انا عايزه probability of even number هيظهر لي على الكاردز دي.
على